The famous proverb, "Cleanness is next to godliness," expresses a lot to us. It indicates that cleanness is the essential part of the healthy life. As we all know that the habit of cleanness is in our tradition and culture. Our grandparents teach us to eat food only after doing proper hand wash and touch holy books and other holy things with clean hands. Even in some houses, there are restrictions of entering to temple and kitchen without taking bath. Priests tell us to take bath, wash hands and wear clean clothes before appear to the God. There was a strict tradition of hand washing before meals in Jewish elders. There is a close connection between personal cleanness and moral health of the person. Personal cleanness is considered as a symbol of purity of body and soul, which is necessary to get healthy and spiritual connection. People who do not take daily bath or wear dirty clothes are generally lost their feeling confidence, self-respect and well-being. So we can say that personal cleanness safeguards us against dishonesty. Regular and proper cleanness help us to prevent from germs remaining long on the body and maintain our godliness. Thank you.